Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a TurboTax E-file rejection quickly. Yeah, if your tax return was rejected, it can be really stressful, especially when you're trying to submit on time, but most of the time it's actually easy to fix once you check a few important things. So first, check the rejection code or message provided by TurboTax. Each code tells you exactly what went wrong, so understanding the reason is the first step toward fixing it. Next, review your tax return carefully. Even a small typo, missing information, or incorrect Social Security number can cause the IRS to reject your e-file. Make sure every detail is correct, especially names, SSNs, and filing status. After that, verify your bank account details if you chose direct deposit. An incorrect account or routing number can also trigger a rejection. Yeah, double-check these numbers carefully to avoid delays. Also, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and ensure your e-file submission is compatible with IRS requirements. And yeah, sometimes the IRS system may be busy or down temporarily, so check their status before trying again. Resubmitting while the system is offline can lead to repeated rejections. Finally, once all corrections are made, resubmit your return. Most of the time, these steps should allow your e-file to go through successfully without extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.